Right, it turns out another fault in the bike is the ignition switch. There's actually a fault in the ignition switch. If you tap it or sugar it around, the bike cuts out. What I've done, it's quite easy to test. The battery's in there, okay, so you take a live feed from the live side of the battery, which on this bike is the negative side because it's positive earth, okay. So you take this wire and connect it to the live side of the coil. That bypasses your ignition. Now I'm now going to show you the bike trying to start with the ignition switch on, and it probably won't. Sometimes it does and then it kind of cuts out. Right, it doesn't work, so even with the ignition switch on, just give me a minute. Right, I've now connected that wire from the battery onto that, so it should start. Okay, so I'll fix the switch or I'll have to replace it.